How to gain experience in the trades. Create your own project. Building a bookcase, building anything, helping someone else build something, hands-on experience using different power tools. You can volunteer. I'm sure there's like Habitat for Humanity, different programs out there that help with low-income homeowners with their projects, or sometimes the elderly might need help. So look for that stuff. Look for those organizations and see what events they have coming up and get experience. You never know what you might like or who you might network with. Ask apprenticeship if they have low to no experience positions. You can do that for businesses. How about working with someone you know that's doing a project in their house, building a fence or remodeling a bathroom? Different unions have groups that you can join or be a guest visitor and hook up and network with them. See what they have going on. Sometimes they have like their own community projects that they need help with, and they can also give you hands-on experience about their trade. That's going to give you experience. You can use this experience to use in your interviews to prove to businesses, schools, unions, government agencies that you have the skills to do this. You might be entry level, but you have some experience doing this. How I gained experience was my mom. She's an artist, and sometimes she needed a storage container to store her stuff, her paintings, and so I helped her build one. I've also helped with like Habitat for Humanity and some of their projects. Once I got my own house, YouTube became my friend, became my book, became my my teacher. I learned a lot how to do. I remodeled 3 bathrooms. I would say 2 full remodels and 1 like partial remodel. I've of course done the electrical. I also had to fix my mast because I had solar panels put on. I didn't do it myself, but they couldn't pass inspection, and so I had to fix the mast, which they never told me about until I was like, hey, what's going on? Found out, went down, got my permit, hooked it up, got it inspected, I passed. Part of my kitchen, did the whole flooring, tiling of my kitchen, put up some of the cabinets. I didn't put all of them. I wired in my dishwasher. Another project I did is I had a wood burning fireplace. So basically I couldn't use it, and it was taking about 12 square feet of space in my living area, and I didn't really have a place for a dining area. That they took one of the rooms and tried to transform it into a dining area, but I changed that and closed up they had double doors and all that, so I closed it up. And well, that's another project, but I didn't really do much. And but I took out that stove. I had to take out the flute, I guess you call it, I don't know. I went up on the roof and everything, took that thing was heavy. Had my son help me. We got a piece of rope, tied that shit on, and I lowered it down to him. I had someone help me actually take the stove out, which was heavy as shit. I think he did most of the work, but actually I got some money for it. Look out for that. Got about $500 and throwing my stove out. And yeah, it was on a platform. Took that down, redid the walls, sanded my floors, which I did an okay job, but I need to get a professional to do that. So I did a lot. I still have more to do at my house, But I think I'm gonna hire people. Like my deck needs to be redone. My siding on my garage and on my house needs to be redone. So I'm gonna hire a professional for that because I believe my siding is asbestos. So yeah, I haven't really helped other people with their projects other than volunteering at these various organizations. But other than that, yeah, ask around. There's always someone wanting someone to volunteer to help them with their projects. So yeah, well, all right now, I see you, cuz.